Hey guys, finally, na-approve. At 20,000 kaagad yung binigay sa aking credit limit which I can use for big ticket purchases where I can scan QR. At alam nyo ba guys, na legit to? Sneak peek ha, inactivate ko siya while I was nasa banyo doing my business kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-selfie. So 20,000 pesos kaagad. So finally guys, may more time na ako. So in this video, ikikwento ko sa inyo kung paano ako nagkaroon and hopefully may mapulot kayong tips. This video is not sponsored, so kung gusto nyo malaman about more time, then keep watching. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here. At dito sa channel, I talk about online loan platforms and of course, mas bet kung pag-usapan yung legit. This video is not sponsored and every time nag-vlog ako about loan apps, I always keep financial literacy in mind. So, i-share ko na kung paano ako finally nagkaroon ng more time na 20,000 pesos kaagad yung credit limit ko na wala na akong ibang ginawa pa. Inactivate ko na lang siya guys nung nagkaroon ako ng offer. And this is a service offered by GoTime. And because guys, this video is not sponsored, ipa-plug in ko na lang guys that if you guys are, ang dami kong guys na sinasabi, if you are interested sa lip color na gamit ko sa video na to, parang feeling ko nakakaputi kasi siya. Kaya i-share ko, I'm not gonna gatekeep that I'm using this lip color. It's red na red and ito yung gamit ko. And hindi naman siya mabigat sa lips. Now, back to More Time. So, More Time is an installment service, buy now, pay later service that's available through the GoTime app. So, matagal na ako may GoTime, guys. It started siguro early 2020s. Charot. And if you want to see a step-by-step process kung paano magkaroon ng GoTime account, paano ako nagkaroon ng GoTime account, you can check my earlier vlogs and I'll show you kung ano yung mga IDs where I showed kung anong mga IDs na ginawa ko, paano ako nagkaroon ng card, yung card ni GoTime. GoTime is a digital bank. It's regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And so far, okay naman yung naging experience ko sa loan, sa Digibank na to. In fact, I'm comfortable using this app and the card when I travel outside the Philippines. Kasi napaka-smooth yung pag-withdraw, ng paggamit sa kanya as a debit card. So, okay na okay siya. And matagal na tong may More Time, which is a pautang platform where you can buy stuff, scan mo lang yung QR and you can pay in installments. So, parang siyang pay in for. Kung alala nyo pa si Maya Pay in 4, parang ganun siya. The thing about this is that because it's pay in 4, yung first payment mo, kailangan mo yung bayaran. So, bali may pa-down payment siya. But yung the rest, installments na. Acceptable naman yung interest, but the interest na i-offer sa'yo and the credit limit na i-offer sa'yo will depend on your credit limit. So, hinintay ko talaga kung kailan ako magkaroon ng ganito. That is why a few months ago, nung nagkaroon siya ng announcement na if you wanna join the waitlist, wala pang More Time, kaagad ko rin sinamit yung aking details para mapasama ako sa waitlist. And hindi ko inakala na just a few weeks later lang, siguro mga 1 month later lang, karoon na ako ng offer. Nakatanggap ako ng notification via my email and nung sinilip ko yung app, nakita ko lang to guys. Meron na finally invitation na i-activate na yung aking More Time. So syempre nakaka-excite dahil legit po to. Because of that, siguro bibitawan ko na yung aking last pay later. Kasi parang hindi ko bet si CIMB. This is just my personal opinion ha. Mas bet ko si More Time si GoTime kaysa kay CIMB. So yun, nagkaroon ako ng ganitong icon mga guys. Which means finally, may offer na. Sinasabi niyang up to 50,000 pesos. But it depends on the system kung magkano yung magiging initial credit limit mo and kung magkano yung assigned interest. Pero may pa-calculator siya ha. And sa calculator na at least magkakaroon ka ng idea kung what to expect. But it's just indicative ha. Again here, More Time is GoTime's buy now, pay later product. So think of it as, tulad ni Salmon, na pay later, ni Credivo, ni Bilis, although those other apps have other features. Ito, buy now, pay later, purchase daw into 4, 6, or 12 easy, equal monthly installments instead of paying everything upfront. Yun nga lang, may pa-down payment siya and that's your first payment is already something na kailangan mong bayaran upfront. You just need to worry about installment 2, 3, and 4. So, how do I get started? So, dapat active yung GoTime mo or you can now access More Time by activating it on your GoTime bank app kung meron ka ng GoTime na app. Yung pag-activate, ginawa ko sa banyo, guys. Buti na hindi siya humingi ng selfie, at hindi na siya humingi ng ID. Of course, naman kasi dati ka nang nag-submit ng mga ganito. So, at least hindi na siya naghingi ng additional documents. Sample niyang pa-calculator, 10,000 yung tinry ko, which means kung may babayaran kang 10,000 yung item, make sure na merong 2,749 na laman yung GoTime app mo. Kasi like I said, i-collect niya upfront, kaagad, yung first installment or first payment mo. So, quote and quote, pa-down payment yan. And then, pinapakita niya rin na yung installment fee, 2.49 per month. Okay? So, carry na rin. 4 na payments na yan, 996, di ba? Much better than home credit. Anyway, so si GoTime na mismo ay yung nagpaalala na bawal po ito i-convert to cash dahil marami na po instances of fraud or issues yung nangyayari. So, iwas na lang tayo sa mga ganyang mga problema, guys. Ang hirap baka masuspend pa yung account natin. So, huwag na tayong mag-convert to cash. Let's just stick to what the product is designed for. So, you just need to accept the loan terms and agreement. Pagkatapos nun, meron pa siyang ganito, like, magbibigay ka ng access or magsa-sign in ka sa mga ganito, but it's optional. You don't need to do that. Tulad ng my SSS, PhilHealth Portal, GSIS, and Pag-ibig. Hindi ako komportable sa mga ganito, guys. So, I skipped this step. Buti na lang na-approve pa ako sa 20,000 na credit limit kahit na I didn't do that. So, at least, I'm happy na pwede siyang skip. Naglagay lang ako ng aking monthly income, kailangan mo ilagay yung TIN mo, gender, and then yung i-confirm mo kung tama ba yung entries mo. So, dapat make sure that you're putting the right info. Sayang naman kasi if we magkamali tayo, no? And then just click confirm. And then you have successfully activated more time. Oy, bongga! So, at least wala na pa sa LT at pa valid ID. So, yun lang. So, go to the more time dashboard at doon nakita ko 20,000 pesos yung aking credit limit. So, paano siya gamitin? Anywhere na may scan, na may QRPH, pwede siyang i-scan kaagad at lalabas po. Just make sure na kung magkano yung magiging first installment, merong laman yung account nyo kasi automatic niya pong kukunin yung first payment. Then, because meron akong more time, I'm already thinking about letting go of my last pay later because parang nagiging complicated siya. And I feel like this one has lower interest compared sa aking last pay later. I'm not saying that last pay later is bad. Ito kasi, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin for your Lazada purchases. So, ayoko na may doble-doble akong mga utang apps, no? Baka sakit pa yun sa ulo. Well, about my last pay later, which pinapa-update niya ako ng provider, parang binibitawan na rin ako ni CIMB. Okay, fine. Parang kailangan ko na mag-switch sa provider ng last fast cash, which is Pera 247. Let's put that on a different vlog. Basta the good news is, meron akong more time mga guys, and I have 20,000 credit limit that I can use for big ticket items. And update ko na lang kayo kung nagamit ko siya, and if there are any other developments or any other updates, of course, I will let you know. But yun lang guys. Yun around. So, mas nauna pa ako nagka-more time kaysa kay, Zed. Ano ba to? Si Zed, ang tagal-tagal, wala pala yung result. Ang haba-haba pa naman ng fill out ko. Pero, yun lang guys. It's gonna be for another vlog. Ang dami ko sinabi. So, I'm gonna let you go now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.